I don't know why Goa. It just happened, and it again was brought up, and it was such a great idea. And then we both love the sea. We, love to be outside, and that was the main reason. Especially the greenery this time. And I don't know. I think I always wanted a wedding, a destination wedding, and then it just happened to be Goa.
Older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze, strike me over, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain mama.
She's breathtakingly beautiful and surprisingly and refreshingly energetic. I love her energy and her vibe and her positiveness.
मैं गुमसुम राह की तरह तेरे ख्वाबों में तेरी ख्वाहिशों में छुपा ना जाने क्यों है ये रोज का सिलसिला तू रूठी है दास्तां तेरे जुल्फों की ये नमी तेरी आँखों का है नशा यहाँ को भी जाऊँ तो मैं क्या कसूर है मेरा
I've always told Chaitanya that, like, since I've known him since my birth, so I've always told him that he's the life of every party, and now he's my life.
And the kind of care that she gave me, the kind of love that she showed me, that was everything. And I felt so lucky to be loved like that and to be cared for like that. And I thought, that because I myself am a very similar, I like to give, and she also likes to give in a relationship. So I just hope I can keep giving her the same way she gives me.
What a day, my heart is full of butterflies. There's no disguising how I feel whenever I'm with you. I've waited till the moment's right to look into those starry eyes and say the words that I'm thinking all the time. Oh, I do, I do, I do, I love you. Everybody, come on.
मेरी मेहंदी च तेरा ही नाम लिखे हाथ पर जेती हाँ जेती तू रंग डोलना रिस जाना मैं जाना तेनू तेरी लविया
तू भी तेरी मैं चुराना बेईमान मैं तेरे इश्क च होया है मैं हुन बदनाम काहे
कर दी शरारता नादान
Let's go today. Voy a hacer el agua que quiere. take it to Alaji. Take it to Alaji. Oh yeah, show no hala. You dey making me go mad, baby go hala. You dey making me wanna craze. Oh today, oh yeah, sorry, what back in the day. Oh yeah, gonna go to make me sorry, oh yeah, shaking it, oh yeah, shaking it, oh yeah, shaking it, oh yeah, shaking it.
I fell in love with her instantly. We used to play basketball together. We used to hang out, go for drives, and then surprisingly on the Valentine's Day is when I officially told her that this is what I'm trying to do. Do you get it? And then she was like,
These days, these nights, I'm changing my mind is set on you. I'm not afraid to say it's true. Oh, I hope you know I will carry you up, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know, in this and every life, I choose us every time. We were California dreaming, our whole life fit in that car. Didn't have a backseat. Choose us every time. These days, these nights, changing my mind set on you. I'm not afraid to say it, to say I do. Choose us every time. I hope you know I will carry you home.
I'm feeling much better चैतन्या को देखने के बाद से. उससे पहले literally मेरे को earrings पहने थे and I was like how do I I was shaking so much, but as soon as I saw him it just all felt so much better and it fit. So now I'm good. Now I'm not nervous anymore. I'm just excited. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with him.
जम्बूद्वीपे वर्धखण्डे वर्धखण्डान्तर्गच्छ श्वेतवराह कल्पे च जम्बूद्वीपे वर्धखण्डे वर्धखण्डान्तर्गच्छ गोवानामक समुद्रतटे परस्तं च सूर्य च दक्षिणायने च वर्षाऋतौ च मासानां
But the risk, are you willing to take? Journey waiting to start. Imagine us going far, 'cause they couldn't change that, my love. Life has only begun. Our feet were fashioned to run. Oh, and we'll go farther than we've been. Imagine us going far. Oh, and we'll go farther than we've been. Are you giving me a check? Oh, we're not made to be.
Firstly, now welcome Shaggy. We were always a family, but now even more. Okay, so I'm doing this for the first time. You all have to count it with me. So I have to do it 7 times. So you all will do the counting with me, okay? Yes. 2. Now I'm eligible to work at Akriti. I can measure. And finally, 7.
So she laughs a lot. And that's also what I love about her. She laughs a lot. Like, even if my jokes aren't funny, she's laughing.
Do you remember any funny incidents which happened down the relationship?
It's actually very funny. I think I manifested this wedding, to be very honest, when I was a little girl. So, if you open my 4th, 5th grade slam books, उसमें question होता था, who do you define love as? And I was generally going through it one day and I saw his name there. And I was like, oh my god, really? Like, I used to define love as Chaitanya. And so मैंने काफ़ी छोटे होते ये manifest कर लिया था, मुझे अब ऐसा लगता है. But yeah, so I've always secretly liked him, I think.
I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Is this me?
Yeah, that's very you. Very much you.
जिस पल थे मिले हम पहली दफा, तब से दिल ये मेरा है फिसल गया, बीते ना कोई दिन मेरा.
We own a wedding brand in Patiala. Yeah, my mother's the designer.
And it's called Akriti by Ritika. And I'm wearing Akriti by Ritika today.
Actually, I made the dress. I still haven't seen it though. We made it a point that I don't see the dress at all.
So I only had one demand from my mother-in-law. I was like, I know we're making it, but I have a request. Like, I don't want Chaitanya to see the lehengas.
I saw bits and pieces of it somewhere, but I didn't see the whole thing come together.
I'll tell you a little bit about my lehenga. So
It has different elements from her and my life. So I'm excited to see that too. It has our dogs. It has my guitar,
he's playing the guitar and I'm singing.
her spirit animal, which is a monkey.
There it is. There are monkeys on it. Because that's my spirit animal.
करीब तेरे मैं
Guys, how are you feeling? Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm
जो थे सभी नजरों में मेरे है तू बसी, तू जो बनी है दुनिया मेरी।
I'm actually very calm. I'm happy. I'm actually excited to see her now that when she walks down the aisle. So I'm just excited for that.
जो तू मिला तेरे साथ मेरा लागे हंसी।
Being able to live with each other and keep loving each other and keep caring for each other. Love is all about giving for me. It's important to keep giving.
तेरे लिए थे बांधे मैंने सारे मन्नतों के धागे, जिंदगी के गम सारे झुक गए तेरे आगे। तेरी प्रीत का धागा जो है रंग कभी ना छूटे, बस यही मैं मांगू दुआ कभी जो तारा टूटे। वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरे मैं सदके जावा, वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरी मैं राह सजावा, वे आया रांझना मेरा तू धुन में शहनाई, वे आया रांझना मेरा तू मेरी परछाई। मेरी काली रातों में तेरी आतिशबाजी है, इश्क के खेल में मैं हारी, तेरी बाजी है। खुशियों का मेरे सारी तू ही तो है बहाना, छोटा सा मैं एक पल कोई तू है सारा जमाना। रब रूठे तो रूठे पिया तू कभी ना रूठे, बस यही मैं मांगू दुआ कभी जो तारा टूटे।
बाद में वर कहता है कि क्रोध का परित्याग करना होगा।
क्रोध तो है ही नहीं।
अच्छा।
आलस नहीं है। क्रोध भी नहीं है।
यदि तुम्हें स्वीकार है तो मामा कहे तुम्हें अपने पिता के घर में ही क्यों ना जाना हो, मेरी सम्मति नहीं होगी मेरे माता पिता तो पिता
तू मेरी परछाई। वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरे मैं सदके जावा, वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरी मैं राह सजावा।
छंद पर आगे क्यों? रशी बंटी बन गई माँ, सतीश अंकल बन गए प्यो। छंद पर आगे वरना तुसी फिक्र ना करना, तुसी फिक्र
कुड़ी साड़ी राज करूगी तुसी फिक्र ना करना
Yes, I love you, Ragini. Thank you for coming into my life, and I am sure our days to come are going to be better and better. And I will do everything in my power and more to keep us happy, keep you happy, and full of love and joy.
Lost in view, but still your face and your gaze I remember.
जोर का झटका हाय जोरों से शादी बंद के कमर के की सजा सजा गोरी गोरी चोरी चोरी चुप चुप के तुम मिला करो प्यार कर बात ये करो पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा
तेरा तुम्हें जो मजा है मजा ये कुछ नया नया है हुआ है क्योंकि